Hi students, today we are going to discuss about lines and angles, 9th class 4th chapter, exercise 4.4, 11th bit. In the given figure, line segments P, Q and RS intersect at point T. Angle P, R, T. This angle 40 degree. Angle RPT. This angle 95 degree. Angle TSQ. This angle 75 degree. Find the angle SQT. This angle find out. Given angle PRT. PRT equal 40 degree. Angle PRT 40 degree and angle RPT equal 95 degree. Angle RPT, this angle 95 degree and angle TSQ equal 75 degree. Angle TSQ, this angle 75 degree. Find the angle SQT. In triangle PRT, sum of three angles equal 180 degree. Angle P plus angle R plus angle PTR equal 180 degree. Therefore, angle sum property. Angle P equal 95 plus angle R equal 40 plus angle PTR equal 180 degree. 95 plus 40, 135 degree plus angle PTR equal 180 degree. Angle PTR equal 180 degree minus 135 degree. Angle PTR equal 180 minus 135, 45 degree. Angle PTR equal 45 degree. Angle PTR equal 45 degree. This angle 45 degree. This angle also 45 degree. Angle PTR equal angle QTS equal 45 degree. Reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. In triangle TSQ, in triangle TSQ, sum of three angles equal 180 degree. Angle T plus angle S plus angle SQT equal 180 degree. Therefore, angles sum property. Angle T equal 45 degree plus angle S equal 75 degree plus angle SQT equal 180 degree. 45 plus 75, 120. plus angle SQT equal to 180. Angle SQT equal 180 minus 120. Angle SQT equal 180 minus 120 equal 60 degree. Angle SQT 60 degree. Twelfth bit. In the adjacent figure, ABC is a triangle in which angle B equal 50, angle C equal 70. Sides AB and AC are produced. If Z is the measures of the angle between the bisectors of the exterior angles. So formed the find angle Z. In the figure, ABC is a triangle given in triangle ABC. Sum of three angles equal 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degree. Therefore, reason is angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B equal 50 degree plus angle C equal 70 degree equal 180 degree. Angle A equal 50 plus 70 equal 120. 180 degree minus 120 degree. Angle A equal 180 minus 120 equal 60 degree. Find the angle A equal 60 degree. Sides AB and AC are produced. If Z is the measures of the angles, bisectors of the exterior angles. Sum of three angles form a straight line. X plus 50 equal 180 degree. Therefore, reason is form a straight line. X plus x 2x plus 50 equal 180 degree. 2x equal 180 minus 50 equal 180 minus 50 equal 130. 2x equal 130. X equal 130 by 2. 65 is 130. X equal 65 degree. Find the x equal 65 degree. Sum of three angles equal 180 degree. Form a straight line. 70 plus y plus y equal 180 degree. Therefore, reason is form a straight line. 70 plus y 2y equal 180 degree. 2y equal 180 minus 70. 2y equal 180 minus 70 equal 110. Y equal 110 by 2. 255 is 110. Y equal 55. Find the y equal 55 degree. In triangle OBC, in triangle OBC, sum of three angles equal 180 degree. plus y plus z equal 180 degree. Therefore, region is angles some property. X equal 65 plus y equal 55 plus z equal 180 degree. 65 plus 55 120 plus z equal 180 degree. Z equal 180 degree minus 120 degree. Z equal 180 minus 120 equals 60 degree. Find the Z equals 60 degree. 13th bit. In the given figure, if PQ perpendicular to PS, PQ parallel to SR, angle SQR equal 28 degree and angle QRT equal 65 degree. Then find the values of X and Y. In the given figure, given PQ perpendicular to PS. PQ perpendicular to PS. PQ parallel to SR. PQ parallel to SR. Angle SQR equal 28 degree. Angle SQR equal 28 degree. This angle 28 degree. And angle QRT equal 65 degree. Angle QRT, this angle 65 degree. Find the X and Y. PQ parallel ST. QR is transversal. This angle 65, sum of two angles. X plus 28 equals 65. Therefore, region is alternate interior angles are equal. X equal 65 minus 28. X equal 65 minus 28 equal 37. Find the X value equal 37 degree. In triangle PQS. In triangle PQS. Which triangle? Right angle triangle. Sum of three angles equal 180 degree. 90 plus X plus Y equal 180 degree. 90 plus X equal 37 plus Y equal 180 degree. 90 plus 37 127 degree plus Y equal 180. Y equal 180 minus 127. Y equal 180 minus 127 equal 53. Find the Y value equal 53 degree. 14th bit. In the given figure, triangle ABC, side AC has been produced to D. Angle BCD equal 125 degree and angle A is to angle B equal 2:3. Find the measures of angle A and angle B. In the given figure, triangle ABC. Given triangle ABC. Side AC produce 2D. Angle BCD. Angle BCD equal 125 degree. Angle A is to angle B equal 2 is to 3. Let angle A equal 2x, angle B equal 3x. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. Exterior angles equal to 125 degree equal angle A equal 2x plus angle B equal to 3x. 125 degree equal 2x plus 3x, 5x. 5x equal 125 degree. X equal 125 by 5. 5 2 ja 10. 5 5 ja 25. 5 25 ja 125. X equal 25. Angle A equal 2x equal 2 into x equal 25. 225 is 50. Angle A equal 50 degree. Angle B equal 3x equal 3 into 25. 325 is 75. Find the angle B equal 75 degree.